Here's how to make super delicious peaches and cream danishes. Whisk together cream cheese, icing sugar and vanilla, then roll out your puff pastry, or make your own, it's totally up to you. Slice it into 8 rectangles, then score a border in the middle. Add your cream cheese mix, then add a blob of apricot or peach jam. Thinly slice your peaches, then layer them on top. Mix together egg and milk, then brush the edges with egg wash and give them a sprinkle of sugar. Bake in the oven or the air fryer, then let them cool slightly. Mix together icing sugar and milk for the glaze, then drizzle it over the top. They're so fruity and crisp and fresh and they taste amazing. Enjoy! Today we're going to be making chocolate chip cookie dippers. Add softened butter, light brown sugar and granulated sugar to a bowl and whisk until light and fluffy. Then add 2 eggs and vanilla and mix until combined. Add plain flour, bicarbonate of soda and salt and fold until just combines, then fold through your chocolate chips. Scoop the mix into a lined baking tray and smooth it out, then sprinkle with more chocolate chips, bake in the oven and allow to cool fully in the tin. Slice it into bars and serve with whatever spreads or sauces you wish. Enjoy! Here's how to make super easy and moist chocolate cakes for 2. Whisk together plain flour, granulated sugar, cocoa powder and baking powder until combined. Then add melted butter and warm water and whisk until smooth. Pour into 2 ramekins, then bake in the oven and let them cool. For the icing, mix together icing, sugar, cocoa powder and milk until smooth. Then spread it over the cakes and top with sprinkles to finish if you wish. And that's it. Enjoy!
Let's make crispy potato balls.
If you haven't tried my 3-ingredient Greek yogurt cake, you're missing out. Every time I post this, it goes viral and for good reason. In one bowl, combine your Greek yogurt, eggs, and tapioca or cornstarch. Bake this until set and then watch it deflate. Refrigerate for 2 hours, top with some fruit or honey, and love your life.
You're nothing but an ex, expired, exit from my life. An ex, expired, exit from my life. I thought your love, I thought your heart was poison from the start. An ex, expired, exit from my life. Bye bye. I don't miss your mind tricks or your lies.
My kids go crazy over these crispy pizza smashed potatoes, and they're the easiest thing to make. Boil some minis until just tender. Pro tip, score them crisscross to get that perfect flat smash happening. Air fryer roast for 25 minutes. Brush with your marinara, sprinkle with mozzarella and pepperoni to melt, and love your life.
It's almost like falling in love for the first time, all over again. Hold on tight to the feeling, but it's a roller coaster in my head. So